Hi friends, welcome to the biggest event of the year, the Big Five exhibition, live at World Trade Center. We invite you all to visit our stand 7C303, hall number 7. We are live on all the social media platforms of Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube. We invite you all to visit our stand at 7C303 at World Trade Center. We are live on all the social media platforms. For more information, please call or WhatsApp. We are just in right front of the door in hall number 7. Please visit our stand in hall number 7, 7C303. We are live on all the social media platforms. For more information, please do get in touch with us.